Sidhu Moosewala's latest song Tera Naam has been released on his official YouTube handle on Friday. The song has created quite a stir as it has surpassed 7 million views within 8 hours of its release. The video features various shots of Moosewala's photos and paintings on walls, newspapers and trucks, as well as his performance videos playing on billboards in various cities. Towards the end, the camera focuses on a flag, which has "Justice for Sidhu Moosewala" written over his photograph. Moosewala's fans were eagerly waiting for the release of the song since a post in this regard was shared by deceased singer's official Instagram handle 4 days ago. Sidhu's father Balkaur Singh conveyed his gratitude towards late singer's fans. Chiding government over negligence in Moosewala's murder probe, he said it was only his son's fans who stood by him. He also said more songs sung by his son will be released in due course. The song is in collaboration with Burna Boy laced by the music of Steel Bangles. Tera Naam is Moosewala's third song officially released after his death. The singer's first song, SLO, was released in June 2022, which chronicles Punjab's water-sharing treaty with Haryana. The song was banned after 2 days of release, however. It garnered over 2.7 crore views on YouTube, till it was there on the platform. Moosewala's second song, Var, was about life of Punjab's greatest warrior Hari Singh Nalwa, who was commander-in-chief of Theesik Khalsa Fauj, the army of the Sikh Empire.